Hey everybody! So today's video is being done as part of a collaboration to celebrate Kim's birthday from Kim's Art Alchemy. And the collaboration is being hosted by Aishu's Crafty Kids Club. I want to thank Aishu for inviting me to participate. And Aishu would have been just before me, so I'd like to thank her for introducing me. After me will be Taslima Maya Art, so make sure to check out her video and all of the videos in the collaboration. Basically what I've done here is I cut out some little happy birthday stickers to put on here, and I'm just going to peel these off. I'm going to put them directly onto the mold. I was doing Daniel Cooper's hairspray technique a while back, and I didn't think I got as clean of a result with the vinyl as I wanted. So at that point, Donna from It's Art by Donna had suggested just putting the vinyl directly onto the mold. I'm not going to be doing the hairspray technique today, but that's where I came up with this. It was from doing that hairspray technique. I'm going to leave the center empty because I think after I've poured this, I will put this on top in the center. Just one at a time, and just placing them on here and pressing them down. And then the last one. Okay, so they're all pressed down on there. And now I can go ahead and pour my resin. But this will be on the other side at the end, just like that. Life, it's such a sight. Friends all around, the joy is loud. We're creating magic with every crowd. Candles glow, your wishes unfold. Stories whispered, secrets told. Art in the air, laughter we share. This birthday vibe is beyond compare. Let's celebrate the day away. Dance and laugh, come what may. With every stroke and every beat, we make this birthday extra sweet. Let's celebrate the day away. Dance and laugh, come what may. With every stroke and every beat, we make this birthday extra sweet. Rushing hand dreams take flight. A canvas of stars in the night. Friends like you's making it bright. This birthday's gonna be alright. Hold a paintbrush, grab some clay. Express yourself in every way. Glitter and glue, bring out the new. This party's a masterpiece just for you. Let's celebrate the day away. Dance and laugh, come what may. With every stroke and every beat, we make this birthday extra sweet. It's the next day, and I'm going to go ahead and demold this tic-tac-toe board. And this is what we're looking like. Wow, I love it. Now I'm gonna get some glitter and just put glitter inside of each of these.
Today's your birthday, we'll make it out of sight. Hope you have the best day, dreams take flight. As you blow the candles, make a wish tonight. Every laugh, every cheer echoes in the air. Friends and family gather cause they truly care. Your smile's a treasure, moments we all share. You're a wonderful person.
So I want to try to get this centered. I had put a darker one on here, but it really didn't stand out, so I'm doing this one instead.
Happy birthday to you, we're always there.
So I am going to UV resin on the top of this just to seal all that glitter in from where the permanent vinyl was. So I'm just doing a very light coating here. And I'm just gonna take my time so that if any bubbles come in, I can get rid of them. I just want to say happy birthday to Kim. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching. Taslima Maya Art is next, so please go ahead and head over to her channel. Bye everyone.